This is one of the craziest, actually the funniest things that I've ever run into with animals out here. Here's how it went. My son, my 4-year-old son, walked out the door. He looked up. He said, "There's a pig out." It's not the first time a pig's ever been out, but there's no reason a pig should or could escape today. Or so I thought. You told me a pig was out, right?
Yeah.
How do you think the pig got out?
I know.
Well, I'm going to show you how the pig got out. It's one of the funniest things I've ever seen out here.
Okay.
Alice, the milk cow, and the steer were in here. I left them in here just a few minutes ago. She had just eaten some grain, and this is what it looks like in here. That gate was tied closed over there. That door on that side was closed. The pig couldn't have gotten out over there, so he had to come out this door or the window. This door was unlatched. The steer's not in here. I thought he must have busted out through that door, but this door is unlatched, which I always leave this latched, never leave it unlatched. But what's going on in here? Well, in here, instead of there being 2 pigs, there's 1 pig. Which that makes sense, that math adds up. But there's also a steer in the pig pen. Watch out, watch this pig.
That's funny.
That is funny. What do you think about that? How did this happen? How did this happen?
The pig jumped out that window. I think.
No, he didn't jump out that window. He's too fat to jump out that window. Let the steer out. Just come over by me.
Why you always gonna have to let the steer out?
All right, close the pig pen door and lock it.
Did you get the other pig in?
No, we have to go get the other pig. He went out through that door. So you want me to tell you how the pig got out?
Yeah.
The cow let the pig out.
Well, how?
He used his horns and opened the door. And then he went in. And here's the crazy part. The only way the door was closed behind him. So literally, the steer let the pigs out. He went into the pig pen, and his mom, the cow, literally had to close the door. There's no way you can close that door without hands from the inside. You have to grab the edge and pull it closed. That's crazy. What's going on around here?
No.
That's craziness. What in the world? So let's review that once more. I'm just blown away by this. The steer let the pigs out. He went into their pen, and then the cow closed the door to the pig pen and closed the steer in. Didn't latch it, but we'll let her off on that. All right, so next I got to let the cow and the steer out so that we can have this spot to trap the pig in.
Oh no!
Quick, keep coming.
I can't. No.
Walk with me over this way. When we get this pig in that barn, you need to walk around below so you don't go in that deep mud there. I don't want you to fall in cow poop.
Pigs are funny. Because they eat good. Right?
Uh-huh. Pigs are funny. They do eat dirt.
They're like warthogs.
Yeah, he's a warthog.
Yeah.
He's a backhoe. Oh, he's a pig. Look at him go.
He eats mud, yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. He loves it down here in the mud. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think about that?
Funny. He's funny. He should sit so he has mud on his.
Watch out. Back up a little, okay? He's in a little bit of a rowdy mood, I can tell. Look at that. Look at him go. He's still doing it. He's still doing it. He's just like, get me some mud.
He did lay on his back. Dad, he should clean him more.
Come on. Watch out. Back up a little bit. He's a little bit grunty right now. Walk in there. Walk in there. He's still going. He's still doing it. What do you think? He's still in the mud.
You shouldn't walk in, Dad. You shouldn't. Still doing it.
This guy's picked the dirtiest, nastiest part of our homestead, the spot that I'm kind of like ashamed of because I haven't dealt with the water issue, and here he is. He's basically, this is one big thank you for letting this mess remain here. And I won't give a lecture on this, but pigs do like to wallow, and that's one thing with deep bedding, there's no wallowing happening. So it's one little downside from the pig's perspective, though it does keep him nice and clean. No, you need to back up. All right, I'm getting him in the barn. He's in the barn. Go down below this way, by the fence. Go down this way, by the fence, right along the fence, and then come right up along here where it's easy and dry. All right, slip inside the store. Don't fall. Now go in this stall over here so you're safe. You can watch from that stall. Close the door behind you and just peek out the crack. Whoa! All right, one's coming out, one wants to go in. Get back in there. Get in there.
Can I come out?
Yeah, we got him. That's crazy. I pretty much knew when we saw that pig out, I knew something crazy had happened. I didn't know what it was. I thought something crazy had happened, like the pigs had busted through the latch in this door and come out through the feed room, probably made a mess along the way, or that they'd smashed out the window bars and like jumped through the window. I never in my life thought the steer would let the pigs out. But now that I think about it, it actually kind of makes sense. It's easy to pop that latch up. What's funny though is the steer was in there and the door was closed behind him. So anyway, I thought I'd share this funny little moment from our homestead. It's been another great day on the homestead, folks, and we'll see you soon. Bye.